Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we will understand two very important features that are available in Windows 10 which we might not have been using all this time. Right, I have not used this till date, but when I started understanding that these features are available, I feel that this can definitely be used every day. Can we go to that step by step? Let's understand the first feature, which is called dynamic locking. What is it? It's a very simple thing. Let's first go to settings and then understand how do we do it. The first step is to go to the devices and to pair our mobile phone with your desktop, I mean the laptop. What is it? What is this feature all about? When we are near our system, we know to lock it whenever we do not require it. But on an urgent call coming to us, or when there is an incoming call, we may forget to lock our laptop and to leave the place. We will leave the laptop as such and we are leaving the place. And in that cases, somebody can peep in into our machine and they can take our data. So there is a lot of threat in that aspect, and Microsoft Windows 10 has provided you a great feature which can help you avoiding this problem. How do we do it? Very simple. The first step is to pair your mobile phone with your laptop, and that can be done through this option of going to settings and then going to Bluetooth and other devices. There you can add Bluetooth or other device easily. It takes about half a minute for you to do that. Once you are done with it, you can see that your device, I mean your phone, is paired here very clearly. And after that, what you need to do is just go to your search button and then type dynamic lock. The moment you click dynamic lock, it becomes very easy for you to understand, and there you get this message clearly available, and this box allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. Just click that option, and once you are done with it, you will get a message about your device which is already paired or which is available or maybe off. All these details will be clearly available. Once you click scan for device, you will get the device. If you enable this, now it is enabled. If you enable this and if you move out of the vicinity of the laptop, I mean you take your mobile phone out which is not in the Bluetooth range, this laptop gets locked. I mean, you without locking it, it gets automatically locked. It's a great feature and a definite value add for most of us because we get incoming calls and we forget to lock the machine. Try it out yourself, and if you have any queries, let me know. The next feature that I wanted to talk about today is the step recorder. This is really nice. Step recorder is nothing but you can record all the steps that you are doing in your machine for somebody to be shared with this detail. Now I have clicked this start record option. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type notepad. Now I'm typing something over here. So Sri Ram or something, Sri Ram teachers. All these are done here, and then I'm opening an Excel sheet. For example, these are all the steps that I do, and all these steps will be recorded clearly in this step recorder, and I can add comment as well for each and every step. For example, here I'm adding comments. So Excel, I've added that, and I'm opening the Excel sheet, and you can see that all these will be made a very clear documentation along with screenshots for somebody to understand how exactly that you have followed some steps while doing some programming or some particular thing that you do. If you want to share that as step by step a guideline to somebody, this is the best option that Windows provides you. And I am simply amazed with this feature, and this is very easy for somebody to track, as in you can retrieve that content easily by pressing the stop record, and once it is done, you can see that save button over here. You can save that and you can start retrieving that as well. But review the recorded steps will get you all the details which you have recorded right now. You can see that I have gone in, I have clicked this, then I typed notepad. You got the notepad out here. Then I typed all this content. You could recollect it easily, and then I opened an Excel sheet. You can see that here, and I gave the comment Excel, and that is available here as user comment Excel. And all these are very easy for somebody to use, and I think this is a great way of sharing material to the students in particular, or somebody who wants step-by-step guidelines to do something very specific. I hope these two guidelines are very easy for you to try out in your machine as well, and if you have any queries, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be able to help you out. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. If you have any queries, suggestions, inputs, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.